I'll just right, the tier pits in here. Right, I just added Japanese Soviet Union. Right. But anyways, we're right. I'm gonna upload this stage. Right. Right. The Battle of IGN. And I did more. Right. And anyways, let's check our home. And we're gonna play scenario. Right. Oh yes, it's here. Right. I don't think the hit. Indiana reports. Wait, let me see the war spite. I added the war spite. HMS war spite. Right. Right, HMS food, that's right there.
Ay nako, ito naman. Just kidding.
Right.
Approve lang.
This is Iowa, Wisconsin, Missouri. Wait, why are they all turning? I didn't make them turn. They're gonna collision each other. Alright, there's Yamato, and Dato, Bismarck. There you go, it's HMS Hood. Right, there's the Terabits.